We was at D house waiting on the bus when Nick told us his mama died. That's how little kids go from love to being on some demon time. We went from CC's Pizza to trying to get peace of mind. We grown now, but I can still see pain off in his eyes. I can't sleep. This burning desire to be so successful got me 1v1 in me. On TikTok trying to find a beat, so people think that I'm unique enough to bump me through they speaks. They kill Lil Eric off 6 Flags, he was in them streets. They just hit lows 5 times, thank God he on his feet. There's things that's happened in this world I wish that never came. Like a Kobe Bryant jump shot, make it fade away.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Westbrook in the studio, yeah. Peace. A Spire studio stand, adjustable stand as well. We in here, my boys. All right, so y'all already know I've been trying to build a Spire studio stand for the longest, so I can make videos like this where we can record with the Spire studio, and the Spire studio be right here. And thanks to a video I was watching by Think Media about how to make a one tripod setup, I was able to find the components to build this desk right here. This one right here is an old tripod that I found when I was moving, or a light stand, I'm sorry. This is an old light stand that I found when I was moving. And then this tray right here, does all of the magic. So it's real simple to install. You just screw it on. Now I can pretty much record wherever I want, and this is a cheap setup right here. Stand up, sit down, and instead of me sitting at the desk and having the Spire studio on the table and being all hunched over trying to record, I just boom, pull it in. Link will be in the bio for this metal piece right here. And then I'll put a better light stand in the bio that I think will work better for this setup. But I mean, this is a killer setup right here. Yep. Make sure I subscribe to the channel. Make sure I leave a thumbs up. Make sure you check out all the music on IamWestbrook.com and cop yourself one of these trays so you can get a Spire studio setup like this one.
Living life in the fast lane, tweaking just like a zombie, huh? Smoking my brain, packs in my palm, Billy Kimber, no grinder, huh? We live by it, so we die by it, bro. Trigger finger on autopilot, he gon' crash out, ain't no doubt about it. I'ma smash off, blast Ricky Bobby, hit the stash house. That's the Airbnb.